Sure, it's recording. Hello, everyone. Welcome to ATeam Appliance Sales, and we are joined today by the true owners of the business, Antonio and Sebastian. How you doing, guys?
Good.
How you doing, Antonio?
Great.
All right, what do you got there?
A washing dryer that you're sitting on.
A washer dryer you're sitting on? And what exactly do you do with washers and dryers?
You clean your clothes.
You clean your clothes? Do you guys do your own laundry?
Sometimes. Yes.
Sometimes. Why do your clothes get so dirty? What are you doing?
Our clothes does get dirty every time. And if our clothes get dirty, we wash it. And our clothes get dirty because we've been wearing them all the time, jumping in the mud, rolling over on grass.
Oh, okay. And does these machines clean their clothes pretty clean after they do all that playing?
Yes. You have to put one so that you can spray it, and then the other one so that you can get the spray and
Okay. So the people watching may be interested in purchasing or buying a washer and dryer. Why should they buy one from you guys?
So that they can clean their clothes.
They clean their clothes? Cool.
After you do a washer and dryer, and you put in the one that's first that can get wet, and then you do in the second one that can get more hotter.
Well, there you go, folks. You heard it from the experts. You can join us here at come and pick out your washer, dryer, or even refrigerator here at. Oops, hang on. We got a little bit more commentary. Yes.
And you can get it at Treasures.
Okay. Yes, you can come to the Unique Treasures building on Highway 78 in Snellville. We're in the back. You come to our appliance showroom, and our information will be below in the video. Thanks again for watching.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, boys. Just so much.